to stick. It's a pretty cool trick. Wanna learn? This trick is easy. All you need is a skewer stick and a balloon. First, you need to blow up a balloon. Don't blow it up all the way. You want it to be soft. Find a spot close to where the balloon is tied. Push the stick through. Then find the very top of the balloon where the latex isn't fully stretched. Push the skewer through it. I did it. It's so big. This is a fat belly. This is very fat. This is so cool. Do this and connect the balloons. There, you have a spiky balloon monster. Subscribe for more videos.